morning. Welcome to this March 23rd edition of the E3 Weekly Market Report. We're reporting on the exports that have just come out. Let's go to cotton. Cotton had sales. Another large sale, 328,200 running bales. That's up 4% from the previous week, but down 7% from the 4-week average. China was number one, taking 98,100 running bales. Vietnam took 63,800 running bales. Turkey took 53,900 running bales. So good broad-based support. We've got very large new crop sales also for 2017-2018, net sales of 201,300, with Thailand being number one at 56,700, Indonesia at 54,100, and China at 39,600. Actual shipments were good, up 12% at 379,700. The cotton market was up 34 before this number. It's up 44 now in May at 77.78. Let's go to soybeans, 738,200 metric tons. See, we're making a new high in December cotton right now, trading up 46 at 75.58. Back to beans. 738,200. China took 194,200. The Netherlands took 143,300. Unknown destinations took 119,700. Soybeans were down 3.25 before this. Now soybeans are down 3. Looking at corn, sales of 1,347,300 metric tons. That's up 11% from the previous week and up 59% from the 4-week average. South Korea took 593,700 metric tons. Japan took 297,000 metric tons. And Mexico took 162,700 metric tons. Corn was down 0.5 cents before the report. It's still down 0.5 cents. Wheat net sales of 418,500 metric tons. That's up 58% from the previous week and up 17% from the 4-week average. Japan took 122,400 metric tons. Algeria took 120,000 metric tons, and Mexico took 69,100 metric tons. Wheat was up a penny before the report. Now it's up 0.75 cents. Let's take a look at what we've seen happen recently in price. Looking at soybeans, corn, and wheat, those markets over the last 4 weeks have all sold off. We've got May soybeans have sold off 64.25 cents. Right now, May soybeans are trading at 9.96 3/4. Support seems to range from $9.90 to $10 there. November soybeans have sold off in that same time period, 46.5 cents. November soybeans are right now trading at 9.95 1/4. We're looking at corn. Over the last month, has sold off in May corn 29 cents. December corn and May corn right now is trading at 358.5. December corn is trading at 381.25. December corn sold off 23.75 cents. Wheat has sold off over the last month 55.75 cents in May wheat. July sold off 51.5 cents. So what to expect from here? This is the time of the year when normally as we go toward planting time we get a bounce from these low levels where we appear to be finding some support, at least in soybeans. We think we could see a bounce and give us an opportunity later on and maybe see some places that we might want to do some pricing of our new crop. Let's look at cotton. We've been sideways over the last month. May cotton has seen a high of 79.46 and a low of 76.67. That's a 279-point range right now. May cotton is trading up 48 at 77.82. December cotton has seen a high over the last month of 75.72, a low of 74.55 right now. May cotton is trading at 75.45, so we're not that far from its contract highs. What to expect that? Same news, a large unfixed cotton call position from the mills has been supportive of the market. They have to buy the market on dips. That's been supportive. On the other side, the speculators have become so long in the market that typically or historically, markets have a hard time continuing to move up when we get this much open interest and this much long positions among speculators. So the bottom line is we've been sideways. What to expect that? In those markets, expect the old crop at some point to have to move higher with fixations, and along with that you could certainly rally the new crop cotton. We've seen that happen. So we could be looking at opportunities, and we've already seen people hedging and have seen analysts recommending hedging cotton already, but there could be opportunity to do more of that as this market could rally, old crop leading the way. That's it really for today. One last look at the markets. Cotton up in May 42 at 77.76. December's up 34 at 75.50. We have soybeans down 3 3/4. That's a little weaker than it was before the export report. Corn's down 1/2. That's the same place we were trading before the report. And wheat is up 3/4 cent. That's pretty close to where we were. That's it. Have a good day. Thanks for joining us for the E3 Weekly Market Report. We'll see you later.